Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hardwire this CTEK battery charger / maintainer onto your car. Now I say onto your car because this procedure is very similar across many, if not most, makes and models out there. Why? Because we're going to be hardwiring this kit directly onto the battery. Hardwiring this kit is actually super easy. It's red to red or positive to positive, negative to negative, or black to black, and we're going to be tapping into the 10mm bolts. So you need to loosen each one of those bolts up, put the tap over, and then put the bolt over as well. We're going to be starting with the negative battery terminal. We're going to disconnect it, put it on, then apply it to the positive. Once everything's connected, we're going to put back together the negative battery terminal just to make sure we don't have any electrical shorts. Okay, it's going up. Okay, it's disconnected. I like to put a piece of towel over the terminal just in case I drop it and it connects again. So you see this bolt over here? We're going to remove it completely. Okay, it's off. And then simply put the black terminal over it and put the nut back on again. Simple. Tighten it, but obviously not all the way because we have to put it back onto the battery. And this is what it looks like. This is attached directly onto the terminal. Now with the negative still disconnected, we can safely lift up the positive and do the same. I don't think I'm going to be lifting the positive. I'm just going to undo the bolt here and simply just slide the hardwired kit over. And just like before, you put the hardwired kit over. Make sure it's somewhat out of the way. Let's see, maybe in this case, it's better to go this way. You put it over, and then you simply put the nut over. Make sure you have enough room when you tighten it, not to pinch any wires. And after you tighten it, you should be good to go. And now that the positive is connected, we can reconnect the negative. And it's done. Let me walk you through exactly what it looks like. All right, so this is it. You can see exactly that the positive terminal is looped in the back. The negative is connected here to this one. Again, everything's in the back, so it's out of the way. And this wire, this is our access point. This is what we're going to be using to connect to the battery charger / tender. So let's keep it closed for now. So my goal is to always keep this tender in this pocket here. One, so I don't lose it, and two, if I ever go somewhere where I need charging, it's always in there and ready to charge. And this section just looks like the perfect spot for it. However, one thing I have to do is I need to take this wire and somehow get it onto here. And what that means is I'm gonna have to drill a hole in the back so I can snake this wire through and have it be exposed all the time. Don't be afraid to drill into your BMW. Beautiful. The cover is back on. The hardwire kit sticks out here. As we can connect this terminal to the hardwire kit. And you wait for it to click. All right, so you cannot remove it. Untie the power cord. And we are ready to charge my battery. So this indicates a charge. You have 8 little sections here. 1 or 2 means the battery is very weak or on the weak side. 3 means you can start it and you're good to go. When you're at 7 is you are fully charged and you are maintaining. 8 is, or maybe 7 or 8, whatever. But the most important thing is that you are between 7 or 8 and you should be good to go. All right, so I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in buying one for yourself, I linked it in the description. Hit me up with any questions or comments you may have. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.